In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Jira version. If you need to confirm your Jira environment for troubleshooting, compatibility checks, or documentation, the most important thing to understand first is that the process depends on whether you're using Jira Cloud or a self-hosted Jira data center setup. Once you know which one you have, finding the right information becomes much easier. Start by opening Jira in your browser and looking at the address bar at the top of the screen. This is the quickest way to identify your deployment type. If your Jira site ends in .atlassian.net, that means you're using Jira Cloud. If your organization uses a custom company domain instead, then you're most likely working in Jira Data Center or an older self-managed environment. This first check matters because the version details appear in different places depending on the platform. If you confirm that you're on Jira Data Center, one of the easiest ways to check the version is by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. You can do this from a project board, backlog, or another main Jira screen. In many data center environments, the version number is displayed in the global footer at the bottom of the page. You may see something like Jira version 9 or version 10 listed there. This is often the fastest method if the footer is visible. If the footer isn't easy to access or the page layout makes it difficult to find, use the built-in help menu instead. Go to the top right corner of Jira and click the question mark icon. From the menu that appears, choose About Jira. A pop-up window will open and show more detailed information about your Jira installation, including the exact edition and build details. This is a more reliable option when you need precise technical information. Now, if your domain shows that you're using Jira Cloud, the version works a little differently. Jira Cloud doesn't use a traditional fixed version number in the same way Data Center does. Atlassian updates Cloud continuously, so your site is generally running the latest stable release automatically. Even so, you can still view platform-related details through the app management area. To do that, click the settings gear in the upper right corner, then open Apps. In the left sidebar, select Manage Apps. Once that page loads, use the Filter App List drop-down and choose System. Then scroll through the system apps until you find Atlassian Home for Jira Cloud. Expand its details to view the available background app properties and build information. That's the full process. Once you know where to look, checking your Jira version or platform details is quick, accurate, and much easier to document. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.